I'm Phoebe from Rugs.ie, and today we're going to talk to you about how to choose an affordable rug for your space. There's a big difference between cheap and affordable rugs. We have a huge selection of rugs that still look really good at affordable prices. We're going to talk to you about all the things that you should consider when shopping for an affordable piece. First of all, there's loads of benefits to buying an affordable rug. We're not always in a stage in our lives where we want an investment piece. Maybe you've got small kids or lots of pets, or it's a really high traffic area and you're worried about your lovely new rug getting damaged. It's also a really easy way to completely transform your space. Adding a rug can add texture as well as lots of different prints, colours and patterns. It'll really bring a room together if you've got lots of different elements. And obviously it's not a permanent fixture. You can move it from room to room, but you can also change it out as and when you feel. When considering a budget purchase, it's really important to make sure that you look at what material the rug is made from. If you have underfloor heating in your space, then you can't go for polyester or synthetic fibres such as polypropylene. You need to go for wool or cotton, a natural fibre rug. You're still able to get wool rugs at really affordable price points. It's really durable, it's long lasting, and it's really easy to keep and clean. So if you're looking for a natural fibre rug, a budget wool rug could be a great option for you. Polyester and polypropylene rugs are really durable too. They also tend to have a little bit lesser price point, so this can be really good for affordable pieces. Polyester is really soft to touch, so it feels quite good and it doesn't necessarily have to look like a cheapy option. You can also clean it really, really easily, and they can have a lovely subtle sheen which can make the space look good. Finally, you need to consider the style and design of the rug. It's important to buy something that you really like, that you absolutely love, and that you'll want to have for a long period of time. Just because the price point is cheap doesn't mean you should sacrifice other things such as your own taste or where it will fit in well in your home. So some of our top tips are: make sure that you buy the rug because it's the right size and not because of the price point. Try not to get the smaller version of what you want just because it's cheaper. It won't look good in the room and it can make it look a little bit off balanced. So get the size that you actually need, even if it means you have to save a little longer. Avoid paler colours if possible. Instead, opt for things that you know will have longevity. Pick prints and patterns in colours that will be both easy to use but also that you really like in your space. Make sure you know your materials. If you're buying for a space with underfloor heating, it has to be a natural fibre. If you want something really durable, wool or polyester or polypropylene are the best options for you. At the time of buying the rug, make sure that you buy underlay to the size of your rug. This is particularly important if you buy a thinner pile, as it will make sure the rug doesn't move on your floor. As well as this, if you're not sure how to use it, we have a video that we'll link in the description which will show you how to use our underlay. Make sure that after you get your lovely rug that you know how to care for it. Look up the instructions on the back of the rug or maybe on the website. We have a rug care guide too that we'll link here. But mainly what you need to know is don't use any strong chemicals on your new rug, particularly if you buy a wool run. We recommend that you use any clothing detergent that's non-biological or woolite if you have it, as well as a clean cloth. And most rugs can be wet cleaned provided they're not viscose. When you're doing your research, find a style that you absolutely love and try to recreate this look. Don't just purchase the rug because of the price point. Make sure it's something that you want to have for quite a while and that you know that you'll love for years. Thank you for watching our video. Please make sure to hit the like button, and if you like interiors as much as we do, please subscribe to our channel.